What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's no shade, period. Shout out to Arabella Hair. They sent me a bust down 360 frontal wig. Y'all know I'm scared of these type of wigs, but I told them send me the bust down because I need to keep practicing, keep getting into it. I only did one other 360 wig on my channel. So I was like, you know what, let me just go in with an open mind. I bleached the wig, I plucked it real good in the front and the back. Now I'm going in with my boho lace tape and active adhesive to lay this wig. Now the focus of this video is the back because y'all know I already know how to slay the front. That's no shade. It's nothing that y'all haven't already seen. So I will be showing y'all how I did the back. It was nerve-wracking and it was a lot, but we got it. It was actually smoother than the first go round. Once you get all those layers on there flat and neat, now you want to go in and put this wig on. I did the front first. I seen some people do the back first, but I was like, nah, cause I'm gonna do the front first and there's no shade. And this is a transparent lace. I didn't put any makeup or lace tint on this lace because I didn't need to. With her skin tone, it literally blends right in, so there was no need for makeup. I used warm air because I was in a little bit of a rush and I needed this glue to dry, and it's no shade. Now I'm just going in, getting those pieces that I missed that I don't want to cut off. Now it's time for the back. You want to use skin protectant on the back just like you did with the front. It's mandatory, it's not optional. You don't want your client's neck breaking out, and it's just no shade. I'm going in, I'm putting thin layers. You do not want to put a bunch of glue on the neck. The thinner your layers, the more stickier it is and the better the glue works. When you put too much, it's pointless. Alright, so now it's time to place this wig on. You want to make sure you stretch it out. You don't want the middle to be bulky or the sides to be lumpy. So you have to really stretch and make sure it's all laying flat. I cut all that extra lace off because you don't want to aggravate the skin. I'm spraying it and I'm tying it down, period. Okay, look at the back. Don't try me. I did my big one. I really tried hard and I think I did good. It looks natural and I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm not messing with it no more. Now I'm doing my baby hairs. Y'all already know how I like to do it. I pull them out, spray, tie it down one more time, get my middle part bust down because we're doing an updo. We're doing a ponytail with two front pieces. That's just so hot. That's what's in right now. So that's what I wanted to go for. Hot combing is a very important step when you're laying these wigs. A lot of y'all skip this step or y'all don't take it as serious. Lay these wigs, y'all. The flatter it is, the better the results. Yes, plucking and bleaching the knots help, and cutting the lace the right way, all those things are important. But a flat install goes a long way if you don't know how to do everything else. And it's no shade. Tie that thing down one last time before you get into them baby hairs though. I did spray and hot comb my ponytail a little bit before going in and rubber banding it, but I didn't want it to be too neat because I liked it, because y'all know I love me a messy ponytail look. That's just my swag, that's my aesthetic. I wasn't gonna go in piece by piece and spray and hot comb and do all that. That wasn't the look I was going for today. I wanted a messy bedhead, waiting on my man to get home type of look. And as you can see, this lace is giving scalp, no makeup, no lace tint, just lace and glue, no shade. Y'all already know I love to use my mini curling iron to do my baby hairs or prep my baby hairs, because I can't get it how I like them without curling them. I don't know. Some people can do it without curling, but it just gives me that finishing aesthetic that I need when it comes to baby hairs. I'm in the back now. I'm just going to cut them and curl them. I don't even think I styled the back. I just curled them and tied it down and went on about my business. This is the most y'all going to see of the back, because it really is scalpy and laid. But I wanted a messy look, so I wasn't really trying to make it all baby hair alicious. Like, no, I wanted it to be like fluffy baby hairs in the back, no shade. And I used the mousse to get this look because, you know, with hairspray, I really like to use hairspray for colored hair. So I did curl this ponytail with my 1-inch curling iron, and I wanted to do the bun. Like, once you see the bun, y'all gonna fall in love with the bun like I did. But when we did the bun, I was like, girl, once we do this dance routine, it's not gonna stay, because we had to do a TikTok right after. So I was like, let's go with the ponytail look, because the bun isn't gonna last even for 2 seconds while we're dancing. But I still wanted to show you guys what the bun gave, because it was so cute and so just like, oh my gosh, it was everything. It's the baby hair reveal for me. Like, let's just get into it. I'm feeling these baby hairs. I think I tapped through them with a little hairspray on top just because the dance routine was not gonna play. Oh my god, look at that bun. That bun is everything. It's just like messy, cute. I pinned it up, I wrapped the curls up and just was putting bobby pins everywhere. I can't even tell you how I did that bun, but it was cute to me. I really liked it. It was giving me I'm about to go to the ball or the BET Awards. But we ended up taking it out, but it was so cute. And even with the makeup, ugh, it's even cuter. Shaquita killed this face. She is a professional makeup artist, so you guys need to follow her and book her. This wig is so bomb. It wasn't that long. I believe it's only 20 inches. All the details for this wig will be in the description box. But the 360ness of it all was just perfect. It fit her head good. It wasn't too big. It wasn't too small. The ponytail was easy to achieve. And this wig was easy to work with. And I'd be scared of updos. I'd be scared of those type of things because I don't really play with glue in the back. But this wig definitely made this an easy process, and it's no shade, so shout out to Arabella. But now we just teasing this ponytail, getting our original look down so we can go get this TikTok done and dance it out, and it's no shade. Shout out to my SBM gang. We almost at 10K. We getting closer and closer. Y'all really been showing out, showing me love on YouTube, and I appreciate every bit of love y'all show me, and it's no shade. Shout out to Arabella. All the information will be in the description box. Bye, y'all.